Hey everybody, this is Dan from SoCal Creature, and in this hot minute, we're going to be taking a sneak peek at just one of the art installations available at this year's Desert X. Desert X is a biennial art exhibit that has a dozen or more contemporary art installations scattered throughout the desert in the Coachella Valley. The locations of the artwork are supposed to be a secret until they're released on March 12th, but this one at the base of the Aerial Tram is kind of hard to miss. This thing is massive. Each one of these letters is 40 feet tall, which is the same height as the Hollywood sign, by the way. It's called Never Forget by Alaskan artist Nicholas Galanin. This is one you won't want to miss if you're coming to Desert X 21. And it was so easy to get to, it almost makes me wonder if they'll have any problems with the pranksters trying to alter it like we've seen so many times with the Hollywood sign. Who knows? The show opens this Friday, March 12th, and you can pick up your brochures, maps, and swag at the Ace Hotel in Palm Springs. Or check the description below for links and other information. If you like this video, make sure to hit subscribe and like, or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.